Hello guys! Now we will start to explain the financial statements of the bank. Here are the main financial statements which are required to be prepared at the end of the fiscal period. Note that guys, those are not all statements prepared by the bank. There are many reports that are made for many managerial and internal purposes. But for simplification, I shall only explain those statements because they are the most common, starting with balance sheet, going to income statement, and finally statement of a change in stockholders' equity. But before we start, you should download the Excel file attached for better understanding and reviewing your information. In this file, you will find all financial statements we will discuss. Let's start with the balance sheet. As for now, we will take a brief discussion about the balance sheet before we go deep inside. Assets on the balance sheet include four major kinds of assets, starting with cash in the vault and deposits made at other banks or institutions, government and private securities purchased in the open market, loans and lease financing made available to customers, and finally, miscellaneous assets. And on the other side of the on the other side of the balance sheet, we can find liabilities, which include two major categories, starting with deposits made and owned by various kinds of customers. Second, non-deposit borrowing of funds in money and capital markets. On the other side, again, we can find stockholders' equity. That includes capital, additional paid-in capital, surpluses, and retained earnings. I will stop for now, guys, because I don't want to overload your mind to help you make the best benefit of this course. But I will be waiting for you in the next video with a deep description in the balance sheet items, starting with the assets items. So in the next video, I advise you to make yourself a cup of tea and clear your mind from any thoughts for better understanding. So goodbye for now and see you soon.